This is NTNFL 16086. Let's do this thing. It is full. Here we go. I have no idea. They all just say not associated. So, oh, a little bit of sticky on the ends. Shield. Ugh. 16086. This is the heaviest box I've picked up so far. Something is going on here. This has got good vibes about it. Like is that just my bodgy cutting? Where's my left-handed knife? Oh God, it's all popping out here. There's a printing plate 101. There's something, I think it's just a printing plate 101. Let's find out. Up first to 99, Malik Withers, Treasured Rookies. To 87, it is Travis Kelce. To 35, it's to Ahmed Sauce Gardner. To 35, James Cook for the Buffalo Bills. Bailey's mate. To 10. Is this the same product? What the hell is this set of cards I've not seen yet? And now there's 2 in a row. To 10, Saquon Barkley. I see why this felt a bit thicker, because it's just a whole bunch of patches. To 49. Yep. Lamar Jackson for Baltimore. To 49, he is the linebacker from the Dolphins, Channing Tindall, 25-49. To what the hell is that? To 49, Justin Tucker for the Baltimore Ravens. Who the hell is that? I don't recognize that auto. Kayvon Thibbs, maybe? 1 of 1 RPA printing plate. It is Kayvon Thibodeaux for the Giants, and this next card is a beautiful card. Who's got Giants? Not on the list. Wow, who has them? Giants. Somebody has to have this team. Of $30. They're committed. Anthony Stupino, congratulations. To just 20, Matt Corral. That is a printing plate. Color match, patches, going crazy. What a beautiful card. That is NTNFL 16086. God.